Are you looking for the perfect backyard chicken that's gentle with kids and lays delicious eggs? Well, you're in the right place. Finding a chicken that's both friendly and a good egg layer can be tricky. But today, I'm going to show you why Buff Orpingtons are the absolute best choice for families. Let's dive into why these golden beauties are the ultimate family-friendly chickens. If you've got young kids, the last thing you want is a nervous or aggressive chicken that might peck or run away. Some breeds are just too skittish or territorial. But Buff Orpingtons? They're like golden retrievers in chicken form. Sweet, calm, and they love attention. These birds actually enjoy being held, making them perfect for kids who want a pet-like chicken they can cuddle. Buff Orpingtons are known for their sweet, easygoing personalities. They rarely peck, they're not aggressive, and they actually enjoy human interaction. Even young kids can handle them without worrying about being chased or pecked. Now, let's talk about eggs. Buff Orpingtons lay about 200 to 280 large brown eggs per year. That's around 4 to 5 eggs a week. So not only are they great companions, but they'll keep your family stocked with fresh eggs for breakfast. And let's be real, there's something magical about collecting your own eggs straight from the coop. Buff Orpingtons are fluffy for a reason. Their thick feathers keep them warm in colder weather, making them a great choice if you live in a cooler climate. Plus, they're not super high maintenance. As long as they have food, water, and a safe place to roam, they're happy birds. So, if you want a backyard chicken that's super friendly, kid-safe, great at laying eggs, easy to take care of, then Buff Orpingtons are the perfect choice. Trust me, once you get these golden girls in your backyard, you'll fall in love with them just like we did. If you enjoyed this video and want more backyard chicken tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more homesteading fun. Got Buff Orpingtons? Drop a comment below and let me know what you love about them. Thanks for watching and happy chicken keeping!